All right, good evening to everyone in South Africa. Yeah, South Africa, to Noel, Natasha, Assalamualaikum, Natasha, Sarah, Herbert, Roy, Samo, who is this? Alicia, Sam. All right, so now we're going to start. All right, we start straight away. So all right, so I'm going to start now. Yeah, so we straight away start. So please be
Who got me the grandson?
good morning, good evening,
Huh?
good afternoon. Yeah,
Oh,
please
it's not Claudia, baby.
please mute your speaker. All right, to everyone whom once again I say to you, all of you, peace be upon you. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, to everyone whom I respect, who are kind, and whom I love. My name is Nur Aini binti Ali. I come from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and this evening, I'm going to share with all of you about trade setting strategy in Royal Q. So before we go, I will share a little bit first. What about the digital currency? Yeah. So you can see in here. This is a coin market cap, yeah, coin market cap. So in the coin market cap now, we have about 14,542, yeah, here. If you can see here, 14,542 cryptocurrency in the world. Not only Bitcoin, but any other too, yeah. Ethereum, BNB, yeah, USDT, Sol, and so on. Yeah, so you can check in here. It's about 14,542 cryptocurrency in the world. Yeah. So the exchange here is exchange. If you can see, 431 exchange. So this exchange is just similar to our bank account. But this exchange, we keep our digital currency, not only digital currency, because some exchange wallet, they have euro, they have USDT, they have ruble, yeah. So that means we can keep also our fiat currency, yeah, not only digital currency. All right, so now we talk about Binance and we talk about Huobi because it's related to our Royal Q. All right, so you can check in here, got 431 exchange wallet for digital currency. All right, so other than that is here is a World Coin Index. Yeah, so just a moment, I make a refresh because I'm teaching some small group yesterday, so that's why it was open. So now, example, yeah, beside of coin market cap. So remember, coin market cap and World Coin Index is the stock exchange, yeah, stock exchange for digital currency. All right. So here is about the crypto exchange volume ranking. Yeah. So Bitcoin is, Binance is always number one, and then Upbit, OKX, Coinbase, hit BTC, and Huobi. So we will talk about Binance and Huobi only. So I just click on the Binance and we can see daily, yeah, in 24-hour Binance already make for the trading, yeah, in the spot trading and others is about 64.47 billion in 24 hours. In 7 days, it's about 537.04 billion. And in 30 days, is making about 2.31 trillion. So if let's say somebody asking you whether this cryptocurrency or digital currency is genuine or not, so you just share with them the stock exchange for the digital currency, World Coin Index, or the coin market cap. All right, so other than that, if you want to know about the news, you can go to CoinDesk, yeah? So you can get all the update news about about the cryptocurrency every day. Yeah, so you can use the CoinDesk. There is so many any other like a video in YouTube and so on. Yeah. So now we will go to our sharing on the before I go to sharing on the on the our setting today in Royal Q. I will share a little bit about the evolution of money. Yeah. So now I'm going to share with you, with all of you, about the evolution of money. All right. So many people still don't know or already know, but some people maybe a new student. Like people who age like me, maybe we still don't know nothing, so we are still new learner. Yeah, but the youngsters, they already know all this. Yeah. So evolution of money, so barter trade when the first time, then gold and silver, and then go metal and coin, then paper money, then plastic card, it means a credit card or debit card, and then the electronic money, then goes to the cryptocurrency. So now, why I share about this? Because sometimes people skeptical because it is digital. Yeah. So when we talk about asset, it's always physical. All right. So that is why I share this evolution of money for all of you to understand that Bitcoin is a new asset class. Yeah. That they don't have any physical asset like gold and silver, real estate or product. Yeah. So they are new class asset, not only Bitcoin, but any other cryptocurrency in this world. Yeah. So now the example simple that we can share with the people about Uber. Yeah? Uber is the first example, is the largest taxi company in the world with no physical asset taxi. Yeah, so no physical asset, but is the largest taxi company. And then we go to Airbnb, is the owner of the largest hotel in the world. Yeah, over 1 million room, but they also don't have any physical asset like hotel room. Yeah, so but they are still the largest hotel with 1 million and above the room for them to serve us. Yeah. So other than that, the number 3 is Facebook, the most popular social media company in the world. There is no content. Where the content comes from me, from all of you, and from everyone in this world. Yeah. So this is no physical asset also, the Facebook, but most popular social media company in the world. All right. So this is about evolution and about the new asset, the new class asset that we can categorize it for digital currency, that there is no physical asset. All right. So that's all. So I see Herbert, Roy, Sam, Renat, Natasha, Sarah. Natasha got 2, yeah? All right, thank you very much to all of you who joined the Zoom this evening, yeah? In the morning is in my country. So I'm going to start to share with all of you now about the setting. All right, can all of you see? Just a moment, I put down all this, okay. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All right, can everyone see my sharing?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, good. All right, this is a Royal Q apps. Okay, this is Royal Q apps. Just a moment, I put this. I don't know where to put this actually. Where here? Okay, never mind. Okay. So this is Royal Q apps. Okay. So if you can see, you can go to the home. Oh, sorry, I have to click in here. All right, you can go to the home. So at the home, you can see all this, yeah. So you have to click in Binance, and then I will choose Huobi. Okay, then we go to here, quantitative. If you can see in here, quantitative, yeah, we go to quantitative. Oops. We go here, quantitative, all right, so we click at quantitative. So in here, we have all the, you can click in here, up here, if you can see here, yeah. Okay, Binance, or you want to put Binance, or you want to put Huobi, it's up to you, all right? So it depends on you, what you have, all right? So this is the apps for the Huobi. So today, I'm going to share a little bit only in here, all right? So that you can know. I will start it first in here. So if you want to see your details, yeah, your reward details, this is for the affiliate. Yeah, for the affiliate, you click at reward detail. So once you click at reward detail, you can see this, right? So you can see here all activation, direct quantification, team quantification, all right? So now you want to see activation, you click activation. So you can see like me, there is a few people is joining me. If you see this 40, because I already V2, so V2, I don't get 30 anymore, I get 40, yeah? So if you see this 10 USDT is because my direct downline register, new register, I only get 10. So my direct will get, if he's in the V1, so he will get 30 USDT. All right, so this is only has a simple for you to understand. So on the direct, you can see here. So if you click in here, you can see all your group. This is all the commission that you get from your group when you do affiliate, yeah? So you see this is only for today, yeah? So you see how many is? So this is the thing, all right? So it depends on all of you how and what you want to do. But today we will learn about the strategy, yeah? So strategy, you have to go at the quantitative here, okay? So when you go to the quantitative, I just want to guide you for some, you can choose in here, general. Okay, so if you choose professional, you can see here, not so many, one, okay, Algo, Ata, Avex, yeah, Bake, yeah, and all this, yeah. So you can see in here, all right, Shiba, SLP, yeah, T-Fuel, and all that. So now, today I just want to guide all of you about how you want to, before I show all of you the setting, yeah, I will show all of you first how you want to setting. Okay, so I choose a back in here. All right, so I think I already done before. All right, so can you see in here? All right, here, first by 15, margin call is 5, earning call is 0.3. This earning call back, yeah. All right, so this take profit 1%, buy in callback is 0.3%, and margin call drop is 0.5%. All right, so normally when I put this setting is for bullish time, all right, in the bullish time, okay? So now we click in here, trade setting. So I want to guide all of you today. So I will click here, get a strategy, suggested strategy, because I want to guide all of you first. So I will use the default setting of Royal Q. So this is the default setting for Royal Q. Yeah, so in here, you have to change it to 15. All right, so never touch in here. Okay, because let's say if you put here, now you put is 15, so it will double it. Okay, so from 15, sorry, from 15, it will become 30. Okay, just a moment. So it will become 30. All right, so never touch this one, yeah? All right, so, and then this is a default setting, they put 7. Okay, work position take is, just a moment. Work position take is 1.3%. Work position take profit callback is 0.3%. And then you click at margin configuration. All right, so in here, you have to understand very well, yeah? So wait, okay, so now, this is the first one, okay? So you can see here, margin call drop. Margin call drop is very, very important in your setting, okay? So why in Royal Q default setting it put very high? Oops. Just a moment. Why it put 0.35%? There is a reason. Especially for the people who don't have any big capital, you must put in here higher. Okay? You can put 3.5, you can put 4, you can put 4.5, and you can put 5. Even though if you want to put 6 also can. All right, so can you see this multiple by in ratio is 2. All right, so if you see in the default setting, they put 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64, yeah? Why? Okay, so there is a reason, yeah? There is a reason. So example, when the margin call drop touch to 3.5, so the robot will take 30. Okay, why 30? Because it's 2. All right, so in here, just a moment. All right, so here is 4. All right, so when it touch to the margin call drop 4%, robot will take in here 60 USDT. So this in the margin configuration is very important for you to know and to do your calculation before you confirm your setting. All right, so now we go to the highest one. Okay, the highest one is 128. Okay, once the robot touch at the margin call drop 12%, okay? So it will take from you 1,920 USDT. So be careful, guys. Okay, be careful. When you do the setting, you have to understand all this first. Okay, so what is a margin call drop? Remember, when the bearish, it goes to 3.5%. That is why for people who don't have big capital, I suggest them to put higher the percentage on the margin call drop. So I hope it's clear and everybody understand. All right, so now, so this is I back, yeah? I'm not going to confirm anything. I'm going to go back, okay? So then buy in callback is 0.5%. Distribute, take profit. We click in here, they put only same 1.3%. This also you can change to 1%, yeah, 1%. Even though if you want to put 3% also can, 5% also can, but it will take longer time. All right, so that you have to know. So this is whatever you see in here is a default setting from Royal Q. All right, so now I'm going to confirm it, save here, up here, yeah, save. And then we look here. Okay, you can see here, call drop 15, margin call 7, earning call back is 0.3%. and then 1.3% for the take profit ratio. Margin call drop is 3.5%, and buy in callback is 0.5%. Don't forget, look at just a moment, I clear this over. Look at strategy mode in here. Okay, so in strategy mode, you can see, just a moment, Wolf Warehouse mode, Wolf Warehouse mode, and also, just a moment, I'm not sure why it comes this. Just a moment, Okay, Wolf Warehouse mode and sub-bin mode. All right, some people asking me what is sub-bin mode. Okay, let me check if I can, just a moment, I show, I try to get, wait. Sub-bin mode, okay, in here, example, example, wait, we go to here, I show you, okay, margin call, in here, what it means sub-bin mode, okay, example, let's say you started in here, then it goes to 3.5%, so in here, 3.5%, and then it goes down again, okay, it goes to 4%, 4%, 3.5%, okay, and then it say goes to another 4.5%, then suddenly from this, it goes up, you mean bearish. Okay, this is what we call sub-bin mode. Okay, so in here, the robot will make the clearance. So I hope it is clear. All right, so you can understand. Remember this. What is sub-bin mode? Sub-bin mode is this. All right, so this one we call sub-bin mode. So when it's sub-bin mode, meaning this drop at 3%, then drop at 4%, then drop at 4.5%, then it goes up. It means bearish, that means robot going to clearance. So this is what we call sub-bin mode. I hope everybody clear and understand now. All right, so now, all right, so that is what we call sub-bin mode. Just a moment. All right, so this is sub-bin mode. Okay, so sub-bin mode, real time, it means in real time it clearance. Okay, so sub-bin mode only, it will wait and hold until everything, then it clearance on. But when we say sub-bin mode, real time, it clears on the real time. So normally sub-bin mode, real time, we use it when you put the setting more than 10. Okay, because if you don't put sub-bin mode, you will wait so long for the Wolf Warehouse mode to clearance. I hope it is clear and understand everybody about this important thing you have to know when you do the setting. All right, so now I'm going to open for a question until here, and after I will do the setting 35, setting for 35, and then we can share, and it depends on all of you, because this setting 35, I will make a very fast setting for the Bitcoin, All right, so I'm going to put now any question that you want to ask, you can ask me now. Any question about this setting, the basic setting that you have to know. Remember, the small percentage is for the bigger, or for the bigger capital, or for the bullish. The small percentage, the higher percentage, like 3.5 is for the people who don't have big capital, All right, so any question that all of you want to know? Or it is very transparent and very clear, everyone can understand very well? All right, very good. Okay, now we're going to go direct to, I'm going to go direct to the setting. Okay, I'm going to go direct setting, just a moment. Oh, clearance. Clearance is for the robot. Okay, clearance is a robot clearance. That means robot sell for you. That means you already making profit. All right. So example, now we go here. Example, I told you, Wolf warehouse mode. So let's say we go for 7 just now, okay? So one touch in 7, the robot will clearance all, meaning robot will sell all, and then robot will go back again to the first time. Okay, so let's say for 15 until to the 7, just a moment, 15 until to 7 is 100.05. Okay, so once we move warehouse mode, robot will clearance all this, included your profit, and then robot will go back again in the first time that you put 15 USDT. All right, so now, if the Wolf subbin mode real time, I already explained to you just now. Let's say when they drop, and then they drop, and then they go up, then they make the clearance in here, in the real time. Okay, so that means they sell. So you make money, you make profit, and then goes again, and then let's say it go down again, it go down again. Okay, it goes down again, and then it go up. Then the robot make the clearance again. So that is meaning, that's what I mean of clearance. Yeah. So I hope it is clear and understand. Yeah. So now today, okay, so if you see, wait, yeah, I'm going to share, because I'm going to setting with another of my account, just a moment. I'm going to put, because I want the other account to goes for the 60, for 35, yeah, setting 35. Okay, why I want to show all of you today the setting for 35, because I want it to, because I don't want to look at it. I just want it to, the robot to run it for me. Even though 5 or 7, you setting, the robot will work for you. Okay, don't forget that. All right, so now I'm going to share with all of you here. Just a moment. Okay, here. And here, okay. So here, we go to quantitative, yeah, quantitative, and then go, because in my second account, I'm using Huobi. All right, so in the Huobi, I'm going to make setting 35. Setting 35, I'm going to use Bitcoin, yeah. I'm going to use Bitcoin today. All right, so now we go to setting in here, yeah, in setting, we click setting. Okay, so it's already set up in here, 15. I'm going to put in here 35. All right, so I'm going to make 1%. I'm going to make this is as 0.03. Yeah, because just a moment. And then yes, the margin. Okay, the margin, I'm going to put, just a moment. The margin, I'm going to put all, yeah. Oh, just a moment. Just a moment, I have to share it again with all of you, just a moment. Because it's always happened this, just a moment. Just a moment, okay. So, wait. Just a moment here. Okay, now, can all of you see here? Okay, So I have to change all this, yeah? I have to change all this to all to 1, yeah? Wait, in here, I'm going to put 0. 0 no. Here, I'm going to put 1. Here, I'm going to put 1 here. 1, and here is 1. All right, so here is in here I put 1, right? In here also I'm going to put 1, sorry. Here is 1. So I hope you remember just now why I have to change all to 1, okay? And in here, until to the end, I will put 0, so 0.5, yeah? In here also, I'll put 0.5, and here is 1, and here is 1, okay? Why I put 0.5? Because I want the when the margin call down, drop down, I want it to be very fast. Yeah, I don't want the robot to wait very long because I'm putting very big margin call 35. So I want it to be clearance very fast. But you must have money, must have a capital, enough capital to do this, yeah. 0.5, just a moment. 0.5, 1, okay. In here, just a moment, yeah. I'll read it for all of you first, yeah. So normally, even though you can see in here on the 35 until 30, I put 1, even though we put, let's say we put 12, the robot will go to the first one, yeah? It will not say, example, we put 12, they will go to 12, no. Yeah, sometimes it go back to the first setting until to the 5th setting, yeah? All right, so why I choose today Bitcoin? Because I know Bitcoin will go higher in these coming days, yeah, either tomorrow or next tomorrow, yeah. So that's why I choose for this, and I don't want to see let the robot to do the job for me, and I waiting all for the profit, yeah. So this is what we have to do. Okay, so now, so 35 will take time for me to show you in the Zoom, but I will do it for all of you so you can see. And then not only that, you can use your own instinct, your own feeling, what percentage that you want to make, okay? So even though if you put 3.5%, you still making profit, yeah? You still making profit. Don't feel that, oh, I don't have big capital, I cannot make big money, no, yeah? When there is bullish, all right, when there is bullish, you will make money. It doesn't matter you put the margin call drop, yeah, high or small percentage, you will make money. All right, so just a moment, 0.5. Okay, and then 1, and then this one is 0.5. 0.5, okay, and in here is 1, 0.5, okay, the rest is the same. All right, so now, so this is for the setting 35, yeah. So now I'm going to confirm. All right, so you can see in here, and then on the call margin, yeah, in the call here, call on the callback, and the callback in here, callback, sorry, callback margin, buy in callback, sorry. Buy in callback, I'm going to put 0.03. All right, so, and then from here, I will change it all to 1, yeah? All to 1. Okay, so because why I put small all, because I want the faster the robot to clearance the profit, yeah. But because this is a big setting, setting 35, so it will make a frequent, yeah, clearance and more faster clearance than the normal default setting from the royal queue, yeah. So I hope all that I guide all of you that you can use that as your guideline to do your own setting, yeah. And if you're not sure, you can ask Noel, or you can ask me. So if I reply late, don't angry, but I will reply and help you, yeah, any that I possible, okay? So here, all right, so done. So this is 35, all right, confirm. All right, so then we go to the subposition, yeah? So the subposition, I'm going to put here also buying callback, all right. I'm going to put here 0.03, yeah? 0.03. All right, so now we check. We check everything. Margin call limit, I will put, okay. First buy in amount 15, margin call limit 35, Wolf position take profit ratio is 1%, yeah, in here. All right, so then Wolf position take profit callback 0.3%, and then margin you already see, all right. So all this, yeah, only the highest I put in the end, and then buy in callback is 0.35%, and then the distributed and take profit is 1%. All right, so then we go subposition take profit callback is 0.3% and safe. All right, so now, all right, remember here, okay, just a moment. Here, our first buy is 15, our margin call limit 35, yeah, our take profit ratio 1%, earning callback 0.3%, and then margin callback is 0.5%, buy in callback is 0.3%, all right? So then now, we go to here, strategy mode, we click in here, and then I will use submit mode real time, yeah, and then confirm. All right, so make sure here is cycle, yeah, make sure here is cycle. If you click one shot in here just now, it will come one shot in here, but I want to use cycle, so I click in here, so it become cycle in here. All right, so now what the next, we click start, okay, and then we click confirm and we wait. Okay, we wait, and then we see in here the position amount already starting. All right, so, all right, any question? Any question? You must ask me a question in here. You need to know something.
Einar, what you can do, right? You can explain more about what is circle, right? what is circle when you buy a currency, a cryptocurrency pair, or like what you did there just now, you buy the currency pair. What the cycle does to the currency pair? You could hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but can you repeat again, Noel?
Okay, I like I like how you trade the cryptocurrency pair there, right? Explain to the person on Zoom tonight what is cycle.
All right. Can you
Yeah.
just type for me to hear more clear and to understand? Can you just chat with me? All right. So listen here. There is a question you should ask me in here. One, the capital. That for 35. What is the capital? Okay, the capital for the 35 you need it is 525 USDT. All right. So remember, I'm using 0.5%, my started. So 5 to 5, you must time by 2, equivalents to 1050. So I need to have capital 1050 for this setting 35 with 0.5%. This is a first. This is a number one. The number two, what is the capital? Is 525 for 35. Okay, but if you use 3.5% starting, your margin call drop, you don't need to additional any more capital. You only can use 525 USDT. Remember this. All right, so like if you see my one, I don't have enough. After this, I will additional another 300 USDT to make it 1050 for the setting 0.5%. Okay, 0.5%. Remember this. Don't forget. Okay, if you do, okay, I repeat again, capital 525 for 35, yeah. If you use 0.5% starting, you need 1050 capital. Why? Remember when we setting the drop? So at any time the drop, the robot will replenishment or robot will top up. So that's why you need another additional 525. If you don't have, there's nothing wrong, but the robot will stop trading for you and the robot will wait. When the market bullish again, then it start to clearance for you. All right. So capital number two is same 525 for 35. Yeah. But the setting is started from 3.5 or higher. There's no problem. Yeah. So you need only 525 capital. You don't need any other additional capital for this. All right, so I hope it is very, very clear and transparent for all of you. Wait, let me check here. Explain more what is cycle for the, okay, what is the setting for capital? Okay, Natasha, just a moment. I answer the one cycle, yeah? Okay, wait, we go in the here. Okay, cycle here. All right, cycle. All right, so example now I'm using 35, yeah, setting 35. All right, so let's say the 35 already, let's say it's already done, let's say it's already done 25 margin call. Okay, so I think I don't want to continue anymore. So I don't want to continue anymore with this setting 35. Okay, so I can put one shot. Oh, sorry. Okay, I can put here one shot. I just change it to one shot. Okay, so that when the robot arrives, let's say to the drop of the position, let's say here, let's say it's already here, okay, then suddenly it goes down up, it goes up. So because we change it to one shot, the robot will clearance everything. All right, so this is meaning to use one shot. So now cycle. When you use cycle, it means the robot will cycle for you every time until you put one stop. Robot will cycle and cycle and cycle and cycle for you. But it will follow the strategic. Okay, let's say, as example, I told you sub-bin mode or Wolf Warehouse mode. If Wolf Warehouse mode, like what I told you, let's say you started, just a moment. Let's say you started with 15, it goes until, let's say 5, and then when it complete until 5, okay, when you complete until 5, it go back again to the 15. Simple as that. All right, so for the sub-bin mode, like what I told you, from here to here, from here to here, it goes up, it clearance. But they will cycle and cycle and cycle until you don't want to use this pair. Example, you don't like anymore this pair, you want to put other pair. Let's say you want to put AVEX or you want to put any other. So you can put one shot. That is meaning cycle. This cycle, every time either you use Wolf Warehouse mode or you use the sub-bin mode or sub-bin mode real time clearance. That's all. I hope it is clear. All right. So if you're not clear, ask me again, please, because setting, it is very important. And remember, in Royal Q, you don't need to learn about graph, about RSI, all this, you don't need. Okay, because you have to remember, every exchange is not the same. Sometimes in Gemini or Kraken, Bitcoin is very good in the trading, the spot trading, but in Binance and Huobi, no. So we cannot see. That's why when you want to see the graph, as example, let's say you trading in Binance, you see in Binance. If you want to trading in Huobi, you see in Huobi. Don't see in like some people say tap trader, some people say, oh, you see in the World Coin Index. No, because it is not the same. Every spot trading, they have their own customer, their own client who go into trading, their own trader. So let's say if Binance, they have so many people who trading mana, then you go to Binance. So if let's say, example, if you realize, if all of you realize, because I have two, Binance and Huobi. So sometimes in Binance is very aggressive mana. But when I go to Huobi, no, it's not. I don't make profit in Huobi. Why? Because not many people are trading mana in Huobi. So remember this. In Royal Q, you don't need to stress yourself. Oh, I must read the graph. I must know the graph. I must know all this kind of line. No. You just see here. I show you in here. Okay, I don't know whether we can see in here or not. Yeah. So in here, can you see this? Just a moment, let me check revenue. Okay, not check, yeah, we not check make. Okay, here, can you see here? In here, hot, and in 24 hours, now it's very easy. You just click on the hot, and you can see in here all the aggressive pair. Okay, you see now all is silent or red. Okay, so now if you go on the 24 hours, also same. All right, so now you can see here red, you can see here green. It means it's moving. It means it's aggressive or it slow down. Yeah. So this is what you have to understand. So if you see like this, not many people are trading now. Only the red and the green. All right, so just a moment. So this you have to see. You just make a guideline in here to make easy for you. All right, in 24 hours, you can see Sol CRV is very good in Huobi. Okay, but me, I take my choice just now is the Bitcoin, because I believe by tonight or by this evening, by Malaysian time or morning in your time, yeah, when the time you sleep, Bitcoin will going up. Okay, Bitcoin will going up because today is already Sunday. So normally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the pricing will go up. So I put the Bitcoin and leave it the robot to do the job for me. All right, so any other question? Actually, you got a lot question to ask. Just now, the important question also all of you don't ask, the capital. You need to know the capital when you do the setting. All right, so, okay, now if don't have, I answer the question. I answer Natasha question. What is the setting for a capital 200 USDT? All right, Natasha, you can use setting that I'll give you here, just a moment. You can use setting, but you must choose the aggressive one, yeah? So let me check if I can. Noel, can you help me, Noel? What is the aggressive that you make a profit when you trading yesterday and today? Tell me.
I think Avas, I was trading Avas and made nice profit on Avas, both on
Avas,
Binance and Huobi. Yeah.
Just a moment. Avas, yes, I think Avas, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so Natasha, this is I sharing with you now, live, all right, live. Okay, go to setting. You got, this is for 200, yeah? All right, you can make 2 pair. Avas and the other one is what can we show? Okay, we show Avas first, yeah? Okay, you go in here, all right, here my setting is already here. All right, you just change this setting to 15. Okay, because this one I make 55. Margin call 5, 0, don't use 0.03. All right, I change it for you now. Okay, can we make the setting now? Okay, I change in here 15. All right, so stay at 5. Margin call limit 1%. All right, and then in here you change it to 0, just a moment, 0.03. Okay, and then your margin in here. Okay, this one you can follow. You follow all the same, yeah? 0.5, all this, yeah? Follow the same, confirm, sorry. Here, confirm, okay? And then buy in callback, please put 0.03. Okay, and then distribute take profit, okay? You put 1 here, and then you confirm. All right, so then sub position take profit call back, yeah. In here you change it to 0.03. All right, so that's all. And then you save. Okay, after you save, okay, after you save your strategic mode, okay, your strategic mode, you put Wolf Warehouse mode. And then you confirm. All right, so once you confirm, just double check that in here is cycle. Okay, that's all. So you can do 2 pair. All right, make 2 pair of your trading. Another one, Noel, which AVEX is one, yeah. I believe AVEX is making money. Okay, another one. Noel, another one, Noel.
Let me check. Let me check what's going on. What I made profit on today.
NFT also is making profit very good, yeah. NFT. Oh, I think in the professional all is green. Now there is so many people is trading, yeah. VAT is very good. SOL is good. Yeah. SHIP you can start it if you want to, but if you small amount, better to get all the aggressive pair. Okay, aggressive pair. So that, thank you. Welcome, Natasha. Welcome. All right. So you can put 2, Natasha. All right. So because with this setting that I give you is only about 90. It's only about 90. Yeah, capital per pair. Capital per pair. Okay, per pair is about 90 USDT. So leave it as an extra. Leave it as what it is. Yeah. So example, let's say, just a moment, 15 times 5. Yes. Sorry, it's about correct. And then plus another 15. Yes, correct. It's 90 USDT. So if you put 2 pairs, okay, it's about 180. All right, 180, leave it as an extra, the 20, leave it as an extra. Okay, so now one is AVEX. All right, so another one, I don't know, another one, it can be hot also. Hot also is very good. Algo also, Algo was making very good profit the past 2 days, yeah. ICP also, KSM also, I don't know, maybe. Noel, you guide Natasha. You can give Natasha another one more pair. You want me to show you in here also? I can show all of you.
I know that I think that's a different Natasha. That's not the Natasha that got signed up yesterday. She's new. This Natasha here is new. But I will guide her. I will guide her.
Okay.
She's
All right.
already
So,
trained. Yeah.
all right. So now, any other question? Any other question? If you have any other question, you can ask me so that I can guide all of you. All right. So now you already know if you have 200 USDT or 300 USDT, you can put 3 pair. All right, even though if you have 500 USDT, it is better for you to put 5 pair. All right, or 3 pair, and then let the rest of the money, or you can increase the first one. Yeah, so maybe you can, let's say you have 5, you can put, let's say 30 USDT as example. Let's say you put, just a moment, I share with you here. Just a moment. Okay, example, I give you, just a moment. So here. Oh no. Just a moment. How come this? Oh, wait. Oh no. Wait, I try to get. Just a moment, yeah. I try to get back to the. Wait. Oh no. Yes, a moment. Okay, wait, yeah. I try to get back to this. Okay. So wait, I try to get back in here. All right, so I'm going to share with all of you in here. Just a moment. Okay, so now, can all of you see in here? Wait, another question. Can you please upload this video after? Yes, I will upload, inshallah. Okay. So now, I tell you, just a moment, yeah. I tell you this one, yeah. So let's say you have 500, yeah. Let's say you have 500 USDT. So let's say you want to put, just a moment, yeah, times by 5. So let's say you want to put the first call is 30 USDT. All right, so then you make it as a 5 margin call only. Okay, so 5 margin call, the capital you need is only 150. So that means you can put 3 pair. Okay, 3 pairs. You can put 3 pairs, that means 450. So it doesn't mean you have only to put 15 USDT, no. Okay, so now let's say example, let's say people, you have 500, okay, USDT, you want to put with 15 started, it's all right. So you can put 5 pairs. Okay, you can put 5 pairs and you started with margin call is 5. All right, so the capital for this per pair, okay, per pair is 90 USDT. Let it extra, there is no problem. But remember, the setting for the margin call drop, okay, you must put high, 3.5% or above. All right, so some people say they worry not make money. No, you will make money because you already put your first amount. Okay, so remember this. So now let's say you have 500 USDT and you want to put your first call is 30 USDT. All right, so 30 USDT. All right, with the margin 5 also. So your capital, yeah, your capital per pair, yeah, it means it's about 150. So you can put 3 pairs. Okay, you can put 3 pairs, so 450. All right, so I hope it is clear. All right, so this is a one. You don't need only put 15. You can put extra if you want, but remember, this you have to remember, your margin call drop. Okay, your margin call drop must be 3.5% and above. Follow the one that I give you, even though if you want to put your, just a moment, yeah, even though if you want to put your, wait, yeah, wait, if you want to put your earning callback 0.5% also can. All right, but my one I put a bit lower so that it's very fast for you to go. All right, so I hope it is clear. And any more question? Any more question? Any more question? If you don't have any more question, I'm going to close this Zoom for South America today. And I really enjoying to guide all of you. And I hope hola mana, all of us will make a very good profit in Royal Q, yeah? And then all of us will enjoy and happy trading with Royal Q. Any more question?
Well, I will just go back when you upload the video. I will just go back and try to understand it more better.
All right.
So yes.
All right. Thank you, Natasha. All right. So I will thank you today. I don't forget to recording the video, and once I ready, I will share with all of you. All right. So let me check here. Can you please one more trade? Okay. Or can I know what setting you want? Just a moment. Can I know what setting you want me to place now?
What you could do, you could create the S5 strategy, because we normally use my team, or we use S5 strategy most.
Okay, no, we always use 5. Now, what strategy you want me to put? I put already the highest one, 35, yeah? Renette, 300. Oh, 300. Okay, Renette, you want how many pairs you want to put? The setting, you can use the same setting. There is no problem. Only the amount, what kind of amount that you want to put. So I can guide you. Oh, you want to put 2. Okay, so you want to use the S5 or you want to use the S8? Same, S5. If S5, all right, I teach you another setting on the S5, yeah? Just a moment. I put here, share. So can everybody see? Okay, now. I'm going to choose, just a moment. I think I'm going to choose, yeah. And the professional, I'm going to choose, I show hot, yeah? I'm going to choose hot in here, all right? So now on the hot, okay, go normal here, trade setting. Okay, I will change it here because I always change all my setting. And because if I see the setting is very good, I always put to make more money. Okay, in here, I will change it, okay? I'm going to put here 0.5. Just now I put 0.3, correct? Now I put the margin call, I put the same one. Okay, I put the same one and confirm. And then on buy in callback, I will put in here 0.3. Okay, and then distribution is the same. And then sub position, you don't follow 0.01 because you need at least 5,000, yeah, because that's why I put 0.05. When it drop, it buy immediately, drop, buy, drop, buy, drop, buy. So never use 0.01, yeah. So here I will put 0.5. All right, so now this is setting 5, yeah, and you go straight away in here, okay, and save. All right, so once you save, you can see all this, okay. Here, all this you already set up just now, yeah. So here, the first, okay, the first buy is here, margin call is 5, take profit ratio 1%, earning 0.5, margin 0.5, and buy in callback 0.3. Don't forget, go in here. Okay, so go in here. I always, if it is small, I always love to use Wolf Warehouse mode because like what I say to you, you put 15 and then goes to 5. And then from 5, it goes back to 15. So that means it cycle. It cycle and cycle and cycle. And then you click confirm. Okay, and then make sure in here is cycle. All right, in here is cycle. And then click start. That's all. All right, so you get it? Okay. So Renat, you get it? Huh. Welcome, my dear. Welcome, welcome everybody. All right, so this is the, just a moment. So this is the setting, yeah. So that's all. Okay, so any other more question if you want to know? So you can put 2 pair, all right, 2 pair with this setting. And if you want to put 30 USDT also can, yeah, just now, Renan, okay? Buy and sell, which one? Just a moment. No need, in Royal Queue, you don't need to pay. The robot will buy for you. The robot will sell for you. All right. Robot will follow your setting. If you setting cycle, it will clearance. Okay. Another thing you have to remember, if one shot. Okay, let me show. Sorry. Okay, one shot. Okay, what mean one shot in here? Okay, one shot, yeah, here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, one shot, it mean example, you put one pair. Okay. Let's say you put 50 USDT, yeah. So when you put one shot, when it is arrived, the robot will clearance this 50 plus the profit. Okay. After that, you have to replace again. Yeah, you have to replace again. Okay, the pair, either same one or not the same one. Because when you put one shot on the first time, the robot will clearance, but robot will not replace for you again. You have to manual replace by yourself. So that is why if we put setting 5 or other setting, we need to put cycle. Remember that. All right. Okay, just a moment. Let me check what question more. All right. So we don't need. Okay. In Royal Queue, and another thing very, very important you have to know. In Royal Queue, no loss. Okay, only floating loss.
So what is floating loss?
Okay, what is floating loss? All right, floating loss, example, bearish. Bearish meaning downtrend, yeah? So when the bearish, so the robot will float it. Floating loss only. It means robot will stop trading. That is mean floating loss. So that means you wait there, you don't clearance, the robot will not clearance for you because it's only floating loss. If you do in the manual trading, you already lost. And not little, yeah. If you top up, or you replenishment so many times, then suddenly it bearish, you will lose. But not in Royal Queue. Royal Queue only floating loss. Robot, okay, robot will stop trading for you. I hope it is clear enough. All right. Okay, so that is why I told you earlier, I was broke. I lost a lot of my cryptocurrency, and I found one that amazing AI robot trading, even though Elon Musk say one of the best AI robot trading is Royal Queue. All right, so if you realize when you do the trading, first, when you don't have enough capital, the robot will stop in here. Here, can you see this? The robot will stop. Okay, now I stop manual, so I will put confirm. But when you don't have enough capital, robot will stop here. So you can see this function, function of the apps, yeah? The icon. You will say stop margin call. That means the robot don't trade for you anymore. Remember this. Okay, so even though when you are floating, okay, this also will be stopped. Robot will not trade for you. All right, so until the position is go up again, then it will open this automatically, or sometimes you have to do it manual. Okay, you just click back again when you see the market is already bearish again. Yeah, but normally if you put more than 8, normally robot will open by itself again. Okay, so they will auto do it for you. So this is for you to know what is this function. Okay, so if you want to start, you just click confirm and then it open again. Okay, so that means start stop, meaning it open margin so that it can start to this, right? So if stop, you just click stop. Okay, so that, all right. So just now we say open margin call, so it will open margin call for us. All right, so this is that you have to know and understand. No loss in Royal Q, only floating loss. All right, so that's all. So others than that you need to know, example, yeah, let's say when the robot is already floating loss, yeah, when the robot already floating loss, so then, just a moment, when the robot is already floating loss, so okay, when the robot already floating loss, that means you can do it after. So like what I say to you, people who put a very high margin, 15, 13, 18, yeah? Wait just a moment, let me read. What is the longest time on average to wait on the floating loss to clear? All right, it depends on your setting. Okay, it depends on your setting and depends on the market. All right, so sometimes the market, okay, sometimes the market, let's say the market is bullish. All right, so when the market is bullish, it's very easy. Okay, but when the market is bearish, this is a bit in trouble because it depends on the market. Whatever setting you do, it depends on the market, bullish and bearish. Sometimes people blame the counselor, say, oh, why this no good? Why I have floating loss and all this? Yeah, floating loss, it will be floating loss. When the bearish time, the floating loss, except it will not floating loss because when you use a long setting, it means the 15 and above setting. So that is why people who have extra capital or big capital, they prefer to put the setting, the margin call more than 15. All right, so what I teach you 5 or 8, yeah, this is for people who have very low capital. All right, so because when you put more bigger margin call, in 15, 18, 35, 55, even though when the market bearish, you are still making profit. That's the difference between the short term on the setting of your strategy in Royal Q. All right, so if you use 5, normally, I don't know, it depends on the pair that you choose, yeah? But normally I will choose the pair because I already see in the market which one is a very good pair for me to use. So me, always maximum is about 3 days, my floating loss, yeah? Some people is 7 days, the floating loss. Before, when Royal Q don't have the strategy mood, some people about 4 month floating loss, yeah? 4 month floating loss, but now no more, yeah? But now no more because we have the strategy mood. So that's why you have to choose your strategy mode. Either you want to use Wolf Warehouse mode, Sub-Bin mode, or Sub-Bin mode real-time settlement. All right, so while they are growing, so Royal Q also is growing with us, and they give us more opportunity, more better setting that we can use all the icon in the apps, yeah. So it is more better. So I'm not sure for any other people, yeah. But for my setting, if 5, minimum is about 3 days or floating or 7 days floating. All right, so I don't know some other maybe, but remember this. You only need to, wait, I show you something for you to know for the clearance, your manual clearance. Yeah, manual clearance, you need to, just a moment, yeah. Manual clearance, you must see in here. Oh, but here don't have, yeah, because my one is still not in trading. So let me check with my this, yeah. Okay, so example, if you want to do the manual clearance, yeah. Manual clearance, this is I show you sample aja, yeah. A simple one aja. Simple one, okay. Can you see this margin call? Oh, sorry. Can you see this? Margin call trigger price, okay, and then take profit price, okay. So if you go up here, you can see here current price, okay, and then average price. So let's say you don't like anymore the pair, you only see this when the first time you put, okay. So this is the first time when you put. So if let's say your percentage to loss is very little, let's say 0.02%, you can do manual clearance. How to do manual clearance? It's very easy. You go, just a moment, BTC. Okay, can you see this cell? Okay. Just a moment. Sell, okay, but before you want to sell, you must pause first. Okay, so this one, maybe I'll show you next week, yeah, because now it's already late. I don't want to keep your time, yeah, time to sleep, time to rest, all right? So next week, I'll show all of you how to do manual clearance, yeah? Some people, they're scared to do manual clearance. They say they lost a lot of money. Actually, no, all right? So it depends on this one just now that I show you. Okay, it depends on here. You look in here, and then you look in here and here, because when you click sell, they will show you how your losses, how many and how much and all that. So if you think it is viable to close, to sell this pair and to make money for other pair, you can close it. All right, so just a moment. All right, so now that's all. Any more question that you all of you want to know? If not, I will close the section, and then we can go rest. All right. So if you don't have any more question, I'm going to close the Zoom. All right. So here. Okay. So any more question? If don't have any more question, I'm going to close this Zoom for today. Thank you. Welcome, Renat. All right, so that's all for today. I really thank you. I appreciate to everyone who joined the Zoom, and thank you for the very good question that you asked me. Yeah, this is a very good knowledge for all of us. Yeah. Yes. Okay, please, yeah, please, please, please respect all the people that invite you in this Zoom or in the video, my video in YouTube. Please respect people who invite you and people who let you know about Royal Q. Please use their invitation code in Royal Q, register under them, yeah. I have my own policy in my life, yeah. if you don't cross the people, nobody will cross you. But sometimes you will see people cross you also. Take that as a challenge. All right, so please remember, don't forget to register under the people who invite you in this Zoom to know and to have a knowledge about Royal Q and a basic about cryptocurrency. Yeah, that's all for today. And I would like to say thank you very much to everyone whom I respect, who are kind, whom I love. Once again, my name is Noraini Binti Ali. I come from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And when you go to my YouTube, yeah, I will put this Zoom video in my YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We will see you tomorrow on the affiliate, how you want to get more successful with Royal Q, combination between your personal trading and affiliate reward program for you to collect more capital to put in your personal trading. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.